ZWCAD Plus, a reliable software. It's hard to find a CAD software solution that has all of the features, is cost-effective, and easy to use. For this, Brian uses ZWCAD Plus. Before starting his design, Brian feels right at home when choosing between a classic or ribbon interface. He can even customize it to suit his own preferences. Brian can also import designs from other mainstream CAD software with the latest DWG file support. The tool palette holds a large collection of blocks, so he doesn't need to draw from scratch. He simply drags what he needs directly to the drawing. With the hatched object, Brian can open the hatch interface to easily modify the angle, scale, and so on. Design Center lets Brian reuse resources from other existing drawings, resources such as layer, text style, and dimension style. Associative dimension allows him to alter his drawings without the need to also change measurement annotations. Dynamic block lets Brian modify blocks quickly. Selecting a parameter to change the object eliminates the need to draft again. Sweep and Loft enables Brian to transform 2D models into 3D easily. Simply draft a cross-section or set an intersection, and Sweep and Loft will do the rest. Super Hatch allows Brian to add more vivid and eye-catching images. Without significantly increasing file size, Brian can also input entire DWG files as external references. When trying to spot the difference between two versions of a drawing, Brian can do this quickly by using File Compare. Brian appreciates the intuitive features from ZWCAD Plus Smart Series. Smart Peek allows him to switch and preview drawings quickly using Control-Tab instead of clicking the drawings one by one. Smart Select lets him choose his desired object intelligently. With Smart Mouse, Brian simply moves his mouse in different directions to trigger commands. ZWCAD Plus also presents the Revision Cloud with plain text annotation. Make revisions and comments with Smart Voice. Add a voice annotation like this. Ask Mike to review this. Ask Mike to review this. Now that his design is complete, Brian can save it to Sybil, a built-in online storage function, meaning he can access his drawings at home or on the go. Brian works for a multinational company, so the exchange of ideas in different languages often occur. ZWCAD Plus makes this process easy by featuring Unicode. Objects in other languages will display correctly, which allow him to share his drafts in any language, anywhere. As an architect, Brian benefits from the built-in Google Earth tool. He can import snapshots from Google Earth Map and view his designs as they would appear in their surroundings. He can also download apps to give him access to even more possibilities. Thanks to the API compatibility, all his favorite apps from other platforms are readily available. Wondering what programming interface Brian uses? Lisp, VBA, ZDS, ZRX, or .NET? All of the above are supported in ZWCAD Plus, so Brian can use whatever he likes, whenever he needs. ZWCAD Plus offers the same reliability with limitless possibilities. Download now from www.zwsoft.com.